All right, this is the homework 9.2, page 58, 1 through 6, and 9.2, 1 through 7. Starting with the worksheet, if you plotted these out correctly, you'd get something that looks like this. Okay, and then it says line segment AB, and it says basically it's asking you plot each pair of points on the coordinate plane below, then connect the points to form a line segment and find its length. If you see that your x-axis or your x-coordinates are the same, like they are here, 6 and 6, then just find the difference between your y's, which, how far is it from 2 to -3? It's going to be 5. Or you could plot them out and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that one was 5 units. CD is the next one. C to D, that one's on the x-axis, and it went from -4 to 3, so that's going to be 7 units. EF goes from -5 to 1, so that's going to be 6 units. GH is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. JK is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And MN is going to be 3, which is 1, 2, 3. Same idea here, except for the fact that they wanted you to make a rectangle. It says rectangle ABCD is plotted on the coordinate plane. The coordinates of point A are 1, or 1, -1. So 1 to the right, -1 down. So this is point A. Then the coordinates of D are 1, 2. Each unit on the coordinate plane represents 1 centimeter, and the perimeter of the rectangle is 18 centimeters. Find the coordinates of BC given these conditions. So you could have gone to the right and done BC over here, and it would have been a 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, excuse me, 1, 2, 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me, 6 by 6. So 6, let me write that in, by 3 gives you 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6 is going to be 18. You could have done the same thing on the other side. So you would need to make sure that the perimeter is 18, and there's only 2 correct answers, and these are the 2 correct solutions. Use a graph paper, plot each pair of points on the coordinate plane, connect the points to form line segments, and then find their lengths. AB is 1, 2, 3. Number C is CD, so C is -3, 4. D is 3, 4, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. EF is going to be -5, -2, so -5, -2, all the way to an 8, -2, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, if you just keep the ones the same, so like the -2 here and the -2 here are the same, and then find how far apart 8 to -5 is, it's obviously going to be 13 units. This one, if you look at it, is going to have to be 7 units. Let's go check it. GH is going to be, okay, I just had an interruption, so I have to look back to see where we are. We're going JK, which is -5, -3, -5, -8. So if we look, these two are the same. So you look at the ones that are different. So -3 to -8 should be a difference of 5. So I'll just count over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's correct. And 1, 7, and 1, -8. So the different numbers are going to be 7 and -8. So it should be 15 because it's a distance of 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Somewhere I made a mistake in there. So 1, 7, 1 up to 7, good. And then up to down to -8 is actually going to be 15, but I see my mistake. It's actually right here. When I was doing my numbering, I had my 1 off. If you look right here, this 1 should be up here. So the correct answer is going to be 15. It's just that my numbering is off by 1 when I was typing it in. I must have made a mistake. That means that if we do H to G, it should be 8 units because I skipped one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But the correct answer is 7 because I have that extra 1 right there because I didn't get my -1 in there. So apologies on the two numbers that are going up and down, but it's because I missed my numbering. And that is it. I hope this helps, guys. Have a good one.